Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sanim Yousuf Fahim. I am studying software engineering at Daffodil International University. I am in my 5th semester. I have a CGPA of 3.83 and I have a perfect 4.0 in my last semester. I have completed my SSC from Government Yasin College, Faridpur, and I have completed my SSC from Faridpur Jilai School. Throughout the time in my university, I have built a strong foundation on computer science. I have completed data structures, algorithm. I have done a capstone project on system analysis. I have done OOP and design pattern using Java. Currently, I am diving into the world of machine learning and doing a course on Coursera named Specialization on Machine Learning by Andrew Yang. I have also done my courses on data analysis and experienced with the technologies and tools called Matplotlib, Pandas, Tableau, Power BI, Excel, and etc. I have good skill on Bengali and English. I have had opportunity to participate various competitions, including Agentic AI, National Data Analysis Competition, and etc. Now, currently I am working on a research project called AI and ML in ophthalmology. I have a very good passion on data science and I am willing to pursue my future career as a data scientist. I also want to pursue my PhD from an American university, and after that I want to join at a university as assistant professor to grow my career as an academician. That was my ambitions and willingness. Thank you for watching my resume. Peace.